Hi guys, I hope you're doing good and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And today's session is going to on Upwork, that how you can hunt a job on Upwork and how you can apply for a job and how you can get a job on Upwork. And if you're a skillful person and you can do it easily. So I'm going to show you some basic things that you can do on Upwork and how you can earn and how you can apply to client and what are the things that mostly affected whenever you apply to a job. So I have opened this is my Upwork, and let me show you how you can check out let me show you my profile first, and this is my profile and how it looks when you open the profile. So this is the profile of mine, and actually I'm working as a UI and a front end developer. I'm serving two services. I'm providing two services, and currently I'm working on HTML ESP product. And on my part time, whenever I get time, I work with on a Fiverr. And this is it. And as you know that this is a job section, there's multiple things: dashboard, status, profile, proposals. So I will show you some proposals of mine, how I have written proposals. And here on the right side, if you check out, there is a availability page and a boost page. Uh, if you think you have much connects and you are new to Upwork, you should use these available and boost profile. This will help your profile to enhance the appearance, and it will bring something possibility. This is the connects that how you buy and consultancy. The Upwork has recently opened a new option that you can provide consultancy to new users, to the client regarding the product. Okay, so let's move to I will show you how you can apply to a job. You can select a job regarding your expertise and open it. And this how let me show you. This is going here. So here it is. I have done 3 active proposals with me, and soon I'm going to start my jobs with these guys. And how I have written a proposal for these people, let me show you. The main thing is that it's important to convince them by asking about their invitation, and these all are invitations that they provided to me. Hi Abraham, thank you for your invitation. I'm available for the work. Let's connect on the cheap to discuss your requirement. Simple. And he asked me something regarding my exam, done many projects, so on for experience. I did a portfolio show you, so you have your portfolio and a Git album. It will be good for you. And let's move to a strong proposal, like archive a large proposals. There's a lot of proposals. If we check out, we have many proposals around here, senior. So I'm going to still that up. We can check this out. That you have to check the client name at the end of Robo as his name, and he is looking for a JavaScript or front-end senior web developer, and this is his hiring rate, which is 40, and which is not a good sign. I think that, and he's a long-term client for 3 to 6 months. He's also looking for an expert. So we move towards applying, and the first thing is that we have taken his name, and now we have to select the full stack option. That I'm not a full stack, but I will take the front end for right now, and we move. So if you think you can ask after 3 months 5 to 10% of custom, you can. So try it, a cover letter. Hi, hi Robo, you we have to read the proposal again, like here, here it is. Here we can do that, uh, like yeah, let me show this. So it will save some time. Hi, you're seeking a front-end developer with good experience in UX designing, like this. You can make this simple and easiest way, and it is your link, so it will help you. I hope this is enough for today. If you think you need more information regarding Upwork, uh, ping me up, and yes, have a good day. Bye. Thank you.